In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a course on Wix embedded directly into your site. Let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial to get your course up and running smoothly. First and foremost, head over to wix.com and log into your account. This will get you to your dashboard where you can access all your website management tools. Once you're in, the next move is to click on Edit Site. You'll need to open the website where you want to sell your courses, as that's where all the exciting action happens. Now, it's crucial to ensure that you've installed the Wix Stores feature because this is essential for selling any digital or physical products. Also, you'll need Wix Online Programs or Wix Video installed to handle course sales and delivery. This setup allows you to efficiently manage your course content and ensure your customers have a seamless experience. Moving forward, it's time to set up a dedicated course page. Navigate to Dashboard, then Site, Pages, and hit plus Add Page. Name this page something intuitive, like Online Courses or Learn with Us, to make it easy for your visitors to find it. You'll want to add a section or strip here to display your embedded course content beautifully and engagingly. When that's done, head over to Store Pages and click on Product Page. You'll need to manage your products from here, so select Manage Products. Then within the dashboard, go to Store Products and choose Plus New Product. Here's where you'll select whether you're offering a digital product, perfect for downloadable content, or a service program if you're planning live classes or memberships. Enter the course details, starting with the course name, something catchy like Photography Masterclass. Write a detailed description outlining the course modules, duration, format, and any prerequisites your students might need. Next up, upload your lesson materials like videos, PDFs, and quizzes, and organize them into modules or chapters for easy navigation. Once your course is crafted, it's time to embed it into your site. Open your course in Wix Online Programs or Wix Video, click Embed or Add to Page, and select the page section to display your course. Tailor the size, layout, and styling so it fits your site's design seamlessly. You'll also need to determine the pricing strategy for your course and set enrollment options. Decide if Access is a one-time purchase or subscription-based, and maybe offer various tiers like Standard or Premium with additional benefits. If you're offering digital courses, enable automatic delivery so students can access them instantly. For member-only access, restrict the course to logged-in users. Next, configure your payment methods by going to Dashboard, Settings, Accept Payments, and enabling options like PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit cards. Ensure to test the checkout process thoroughly to avoid any hiccups later. Finally, publish and optimize your page. Make it visible on your site, customize the aesthetics to match your brand, and preview your page to make sure everything looks and works professionally. Don't forget to promote your course on social media through email newsletters, and optimize using SEO-friendly descriptions to improve discoverability. Offering early bird discounts or bonus content can also be a way to attract more interest. Remember, provide high-quality content, offer previews, clearly state all terms, and keep your course content fresh and engaging. Utilize Wix Analytics to track progress and make informed updates as needed. Good luck with your course selling journey, and see you in the next video.